Okay, so tapos na tayo dun sa Evo, tapos na rin tayo dun sa Viper. Ito naman ngayon yung Feliz 2. Ito yung pangatlong scooter ng VinFast na papasok sa Philippines, and it's probably the most regular looking scooter of the three. So tingnan nyo naman yung design niya. Sobrang simple lang. Typical looking headlight. Nothing that really stands out, even with the front end and the rear. Not that it's a bad thing. Okay lang. Kasi simple lang, normal lang. Hindi man siya wow factor. At least hindi siya pangit tingnan. So ngayon, tulad ng sa Evo at sa Viper, digital din yung instrument cluster. Ito kaparehas na kaparehas nito yung sa Evo. Parehas sila ng layout, parehas sila ng display, and dahil doon parehas din sila nagpa-flicker. Pero yun, as I said din dun sa isang video, meron siyang dalawang icons for the battery. Each meron siyang individual percentage. Dito naman sa gilid, same na same lang din dun sa Evo. Controls for your headlights, signal lights, busina. And sa kabila, you have your ride mode selector, your headlight controls as well, and yung ignition button mo, so to speak. Hindi to naka-keyless ignition, so may susi ang kapatid dyan na typical. Ganun pa din, para buksan yung upuan, pipihitin mo pa kabila, pwede mo siya isara, and pwede mo siyang buksan like so. Pinagkaiba lang nito sa Evo, ito, isa lang yung compartment niya sa unahan. Dito lang sa kaliwa, meron siyang compartment na nakasara. Tapos yung USB-C at USB-A charger niya, medyo awkward lang. Andito sa ilalim, nakatutok pababa. So magsasaksa ka, kailangan mo yung mukha, kailangan mo silipin. But still, at least concealed siya. So pag mag-charge ka ng phone, pwede mo i-shoot dyan kung kasya yung phone mo. Dito sa kabila, wala ka namang compartment, but you do still have a hook for your gulay board. Now let's check out under the seat. Yan, ganun pa din, ganun mo pa rin bubuksan. And like the others, again, completely identical. 1.5 kWh lithium-ion batteries, and interchangeable yan. Same system lang. And with one battery, like the Evo, again, it has a maximum range of about 82 kilometers, 85 kilometers, and with two batteries, it has about 145 kilometers of range. Top speed is also between 60 to 65 kilometers per hour with one person on board. Maximum weight capacity is 130 kilograms. And it has a seat height of 780 millimeters din. So, same lang talaga dun sa tatlo. Pinagkakaiba lang talaga dyan is yung styling nila. Like the Evo and the Viper though, wala pa tayong presyo, so we'll have to wait and see until this is launched before we find out the actual pricing. But we do expect this to be just as affordable as the other VinFast e-scooters. Until then, please do let us know in the comments what you guys think of these three VinFast scooters.